منو سامع ميت عايش بكل زمن وسهامه شافنه صدره.
Arbaeen War. Every year, millions of Shia Muslims and some people of other faiths from around the world take part in a special pilgrimage ritual, culminating in what is arguably the world's largest public gathering. Usually on foot for about 20 days, the pilgrims trek hundreds of kilometers from cities around Iraq and Iran to the holy city of Karbala, where they commemorate the death in battle of Imam Hussein. Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad and son of Imam Ali, was killed in 680 AD on the plains of Karbala in a battle against the forces of the Yazid. To mark the 40th day of mourning for Hussein, the traditional mourning period, the pilgrims arrive in Karbala to pay tribute